Hello guys, welcome back to app tutorial, and in this video I am going to talk about how can you verify your email address for Discord. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to do that, you just simply have to open any of the email provider that you use. In my case, I have been using my Gmail account for Discord. So I'll open this, and after doing this, you just simply have to open this verify email address for Discord email. Just simply open that, and then you will get this button of verify email. Just simply click to verify email, and after doing this, it will lead you to your web browser, and in here it will automatically verify your email address. This way you can very easily verify your email address for Discord. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.